Welcome! Let's start with art. Start with art. Come on, let's start with art. All right, so we're gonna start this year off by drawing shapes. Let me see, do you know what this shape is? Have you seen this shape before? Yeah, you guys are so good. Yeah, it is. How about this one? Wow, I hear you yelling it at me. Wonderful. Okay, this is gonna be a little tricky one. What about this one? Oh, what? Good job, Trapezoid. All right, how about this one? Yeah, you got it. A rectangle. How about one more? What do you think? What's this one? Yeah. Oh my gosh, you're so awesome. Did you see what I did there? I just filled the whole page full of shapes. And that's what I want you to do. I want them to be large. I want them to intersect each other. See how some shapes are going through other shapes? Called intersecting. I want you to do that as well. And then after you get your page full, and notice I don't have a whole lot of shapes here. I have maybe like 4 or 5, but it fills the whole page. So you have to draw it humongous, right? You have to draw it really big. And then I'm gonna give you a black oil pastel, and we're gonna trace over all of our shapes. Okay, that looks great. Now, before we go any further, let's go ahead and write our name on our papers. Very important that we do that. Your name and your teacher's name. If you need any help, I will help you. All right. Now, I said oil pastel. Have you even heard of those? Do you know what they are? Like, I know if you were with me last year, then you've used them already before. But if I have any new people here, or like, all of my kindergarteners, you guys are all new. I don't know if you've ever heard of oil pastels before. So this is gonna be a treat. This is gonna be a real treat for you. So look, oil pastels work just like crayons, as you can see. But oh my gosh, they feel so smooth. And they can color so nice and dark and vibrant. And that's what I want you to explore with today. Oil pastels, coloring these shapes in. And you see how they intersect each other? See how they created these little new spaces to color inside of? That's what I want you to do. Notice I didn't color the whole square, did I? Because the circle kind of cut the square in half. So I only colored the first top portion of it, my favorite color, right? And then I'm gonna look for another section that I can color with my favorite color. In fact, the rule is, for this particular project, the rule is, you don't want to put the same color side by side. I call that my side by side rule, right? So with your favorite color, go ahead and color as many spaces as you can, keeping that rule in mind, right? I mean, it is your favorite color, right? So color it as many times as you can. I found 3 spaces that I can use that red in. Oh, wait, yeah. Nothing else is touching this space. And it looks like this might just be the last space that I can use this red on. Wait, let me check. Can't be right there. There's a red already. There. Yep, that's it. That's it. I've exhausted all of my red opportunities. Let's move on to my second favorite color, and I like green. I like this green. This is a pretty colored green. Now, I can literally start this green anywhere I want because I don't have any more green anywhere else. But once I pick that first space, That's when I start having to make decisions based on that side-by-side rule, right? Yup. So once I finish that part of the triangle, I can move on to my second space that I can use the green in. But look at this. You see how I colored that versus that? One looks nice and dark and colored really, really well, and the other one don't. I can still see the paper in that, right? In the space that's supposed to be green, I can still see the color of the paper showing through. We're not gonna color like that, boys and girls. We're gonna clean up our artwork. At least that's what I call it. When I see the paper showing through, I'm gonna go back and say, hey, color that a little bit better. Let's clean that up. Let's not let that paper show through. It's not supposed to be showing through like that. All right, let's move it on. We have 2 spaces left. Only 2 to color the orange in. All right, so yeah, I'm just gonna take my time, explore these oil pastels, coloring in our geometric forms. Yeah, that's what these are, by the way. Circles and squares and trapezoids and rectangles. Geometric forms. Yeah, so just take your time, do your due diligence, and let's get it done. Yeah, this is what we're doing today. We're like, you know, to go and have fun. Nice and dark. Look at that.